All right, if you're one of those people who wake up and you feel like, man, my joints are stiff, my back is hurt, man, I'm getting old. Let me tell you something. You might not be getting old. You might just be getting stationary. You might just be a little lazy too. I don't mean to offend you. I'm just saying as we get older, a lot of times we don't move as much and then we blame our mobility on our immobility. That means that we're not moving as much. Of course, we're going to feel stiffer. Of course, we're going to feel old if we're not moving. So if you want to stay youthful, you got to move youthful. So if this sounds like you, I'm going to show you 3 moves that you can do today that's only going to take you less than 5 minutes that you can do right now that's going to help decompress your spine and unlock your hips. And if you're consistent with it, you might be feeling like your 20-year-old self again. You never know. All right, so this first one, I think you're really going to love this first one. You're going to feel this stretch immediately. It's a hip capsule stretch. So it's really going to help you unlock those hips. When you're sitting down, you're definitely going to feel it. Most of us spend 8 hours a day sitting down. I don't care if you're a truck driver. I don't care if you're a desk job. Even me, I'm a fitness instructor. I do a lot of online fitness. And a lot of times I'm sitting down at a desk making plans. So I'm just like you. So for this particular exercise, I want you to start on all fours. I want to have one leg back and the other leg is going to be on the inside. For a deeper stretch, you can have that knee out a little bit. And I want you to do, all you're going to essentially do is rock back from your hips. You're going to feel it immediately, kind of like in your glutes, in your hips. You're going to feel that stretch. Don't run away from the burn. Try to stay in it for about 20 to 30 seconds and then repeat it on each side for at least 2 times. Do this daily. I'm guaranteed you're going to immediately feel the impact on your hips. You're going to feel a lot better and a lot lighter. So this next exercise is called the open book. So you want to lay in this position right here. One knee is like at a 90-degree angle. The other leg is going straight out. And all you're going to do is have your arms together. And then you're going to open up like a book. So this exercise is mainly for your upper back, and it helps crack the code on that pain and then the stiffness in your upper back. And it's also working on your mobility. So I would do at least 5 to 10 reps on each side. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. So like I said, I've been training for the last 11 years, and 2 of the pains that I hear a lot is lower back pain and knee problems. This one is going to fix both of them. So you're going to do an active stretch. If you cannot do this without a pole, I want you to start with the pole. You can use any pole in your house, in your room, at the gym. This pole is mainly for support. You want to get in a position and try to go into a deep squat. Another tip is you can put a weight on the back of your heels and you can stand on that weight. It's going to help you get into this position a lot smoother if you don't have the range of motion that I do. But I want you to stay in this position at least 30 seconds. If you can't do 30, just do 20 and build yourself up to 30 seconds. But hold this position. This is going to help not only your lower back, but it's also going to help those hips. It's going to help your spine and it's going to help your core. So try to stay in this position. And as you get better, you can just be doing this throughout the day. Just go into a deep squat. Our bodies are meant to move. I don't know if you have a baby or a kid, but you'll see that young kids stay in this position all the time. And as we get older, we just stop moving as much. So we need to start regaining that range of motion. And this is a great one to start with. Look, I hope that was super valuable. I want to let you know that movement is medicine. I hope these actually help you out. Don't just watch the video, share it with a friend and actually do it yourself. I'm telling you, it's definitely going to work. It takes consistency. It takes practice. If we don't move our bodies, of course, we're going to still feel stiff. We're going to feel old. We're not going to feel like we're actually our old selves. Thanks for watching this video. And if you're thinking to yourself, man, I need a complete system and somebody that's going to help me tune up my whole body and actually lose my midsection, make sure you hit the link in the description. We can schedule this call. I schedule some time aside. We'll see if you're a good fit. But other than that, see you on the next one. Peace.